Jamie, if you cross your boundary, I go carry your picture come, I go saga you. In now where I go narrate you to the whole world for the whole world to know. Say, see what you do. You be enemy of our land. You be enemy of Benin now as you can be now. Ogie wo wegi hin brokosi. Waya kuwe no ya we video. No ya we video. Una ya video kenu ya video. Waya fe. Ogie to. On wahin. I'm your beva do. You dey hear me? Because of una madness, they not come because of una come label with the good Oromo people as enemy of palace. God forbid. You dey hear me? This nonsense una dey do so, you know happen for our during time of our forefather. And for my time, you no go see happen. You dey hear me? Very soon. My brother, no be small. Help man, God bless you. This boy, because of this boy now, they want the neighbor the Oriomo people. Oriomo, I need to come out. Oh. Good Oriomo people, muna talk, muna speak out. Una need to come out. I don't know as una want to do that one. Because of one useless people now, they'll come label Oriomo people say tomorrow now, shame no let us come out. Man, accept that.
Hello, boy.
Ogami.
You wanna play?
No. I tell my gonna not tell me play. I beg. Wait till be this one. As I want to drop on. Go. I tell my gonna not tell me play. I tell my bad the go tell me bone. Ogun boa. E game me do gbe man now. I beg you. Help man. Not be small. This guy he go up today. This guy pack Ogun Bapu for a platform. They talk no sense. No Google brokosi. Because of now, people call the salo boa. Brokosi. Bono na kivi. Why this one come from Oriomo again? Why this one come from Oriomo? All this means blood. When they born, follow everywhere so. Come, brokosi, ijue, omwe koere. Go ask your mama who pregnant your mother. Go ask your mother, who pregnant her. Now me they tell you so. Ijue. If you be Oriomo pikin, Oriomo, say you be Oriomo pikin, you no go dey misyan. Brokosi, no gugbu. If you be Oriomo pikin, you no go dey talk anyhow. I dey share for you. Yeah, Orion ba, Efwede, Orion Zola. Betu. Since as you say you be full as 40 so as you big rich you not get sense. Common sense not dey with you. For this social media we go put sense for your head. You dey hear me? My people, mona power type, please help me with power type. We'll put sense for your head because of Zwohi. Yeah, now I go narrate you all the Oriomo people that go know the kind of evil, the atrocity when you they commit. You they hear me? To the extent that may you not worry, your poster go printer, they go matter for full Oriomo. Your poster, this your picture so I'll go will poster come out. We'll go put on full Oriomo, you are enemy of the land. You dey hear me so? You are enemy of the land. Whether if you mogun Lare, ibi mogun ri wa je a. Ibi mogun no kwa. Umogun no kwa. Na so na bi. Na so na bi. Hey, saloboa. Ibi mogun. Na so na bi eri wa je a. Una wa bring back ne come give us ibi mogun. Umogun wa je ma because edobe agwo mogun ebogbe. They know they tell una the truth. Umogun no kwa wa je ma na ogun gbelu wa je ma. Awa be you wa you big man mu wa. Muna go call me brokos. Wa te brokos gume wa te and wa see muna go tag am. Brokos, you no go sleep this night oh. This live video I go you see this night I go rake curse on you and your generation. Ogun ogbu Wona brokos ogun ogbu as you say you want bring shame come give us we may come from Oriomo. That shame go follow your generation. That shame go follow your papa, go follow your mama. As you become Ogyoba soon, now only your family now be Ogyoba. We the good people when come from Oriomo. Me, I not be Ogyoba. My family not be Ogyoba. The good people from Oriomo not be Ogyoba. Now only you and your family now be Ogyoba. If you mogun no kwa, wa no malaja do gwa, wa ni gbe right on, wa ni Ogyoba wa be hin, wa mana laja do gwa. As I dey drag brokos I go dey drag una. Now they hear me because brokos na from umogun no kwa. As I dey drag brokos I go dey drag una. Enough. If you sign working here, wa sha be do wogu wa, ogun gbelu wa. Ogun gbo brokos. A brokos is madman. Ogun ogbo ore manane. Oje fe kaka tirene ake ogun bakin. Ogun ogbo Wona ore ne nuwere me hasin. I know say they go call you come. No gugbu brokos no gugbera gbiju ogun ba. No ogun ba. Awa bera wa biju wa. Asigidi no gobo no gbu brokosi. No gugbelu wa menu wa na wa ogun ba na. Wa na wa ogun ba na. Oya wa remove Oriomo. Una go remove Oriomo come off una mat. Me I no wan hear say una dey talk una come from Oriomo again. Una no come from Oriomo. Wa remove unu ware. No gugbelu wa. Centro. Too much of Centro. Okay, Efosa, may I break you up? Send your request now. As I want to bring you up. Send your request. You see guests for there. Send your request. As I want to bring you up. You know send request, you they tell me I bring you up. Very useless human being. Brokos. As you say you want become, as you don't become Ogyoba now. No you enter Oriomo again. You dey hear me? Menu whenever Ogyoba now. No you enter Oriomo again. No enter Oriomo again. No go egbo No enter Oriomo again. Wa ni mama na wa do adios and do agima. Una mama carry belle come from outside. Una mama carry una belle come from outside. Come born her for Oriomo. You don't see real Oriomo pikin when they misbehave the one una dey talk. Wetin you talk today? You see you fit go back go watch your video. Wetin you call dey talk today? If truly say you na real Oriomo pikin. No gugbo Ogyoba. And tomorrow you go say Igbo people, Yoruba people, Eastern people. You worst. Who were worst? Who were you worst? You worst. Brokosi, no Google, you worst. Okay, do what your bar. Do what your bar. If you not be enemy of the land, do what your bar. Wetin concern you, concern people when they don't lay cause for. And you can't dey talk anyhow. They misnyan. Ni wa bola raviju egbe. Habe man ni ma ke ni ma kori omo re yan mi akori omo re whereas una no come from ori omo. Your mama go carry your belle come from Amasa, come born her for ori omo there. Today una go dey talk say from ori omo. You no be from ori omo. Real ori omo people no dey misbehave the one dey misbehave so no go gbo. No go bring shame, come give us, please. Carry your dirtiness go. Anything wey concern our land, no dey talk am again. Anything wey concern ori omo, remove yourself. Shetroma, go work. Go dey work. If na money dey pay you, say am brokos. If na money na dey pay you for all this one wey dey do, so go on gbo by. There you go. Ogun owe gbo because edebode was all gbo. Wona edebode was okay gbo. Osas, no be better person o. No be better person o. This boy na enemy of our palace now. Muna dey run for am. To the extent now, they want to use because of this boy now. Come they tag all the Oriomo people. Say all the Oriomo people now. They want to they tag us now. Now because I come at me, I can't lay curse on and lay curse on the generation. We may come from this thing from Oriomo. Me now from a wega, I not be Orion Bao. I not be Orion Bao. My family not be Orion Bao. This brokers want make everybody come label. You know Oriomo na ya yo. Oriomo na ya yo. La give me here agbe muna comot. I dey do saga with mana. Mo gbe game ya. You never see one person dey play game dey do saga. Iba bola wa gbe ya. Or you go dey do saga dey play game. Abeg muna get out. Don't come and send me request of game. Abeg power type guys. Muna help me power type. If you don't know, wala our power type. Wala wo go. Iyan guwa. If you don't know mo se wa gume power type. Wala iyan guwa. Iyan guwa wa so iyan guwa wa van. Wa yokpa manu wa. If you don't know go me. Wala. Wa we gume we share we na mo tun wa. Wa we tag about tun wa. Without this, without we not dey do these people like this, the rest go dey come out more and more. The rest go dey come out more and more. Brokos, Lare Brokos, they know they see two oba for Benin, for Edo. Pay for Edo. They do mwere de gboto Brokosi. No gungbo pay for Edo. That one when they parade themselves, whether you want they parade themselves, like I don't understand. For Oriomo, Ogun Ogbeluwa, may I forget the man name first. Tomorrow, Oga go sleep. Your comment don't do since. Ogun Ogbera Gbiju yeah, mutu now. We kawari last in Ogun Ogbera Gbiju You think say they play for you? Mo Ogun Oba no Ogun Ogbeluwa. Say invite. Let me see. Now this how they play for you. And one madman go your come out. Madman go your come out. You want to impersonate himself. Come, brokers. Where you they go so and they not they go there. Brokers. Ogyoba, where you they go so? Where you they go so? Your generation to come. They not go reach there, brokers. Abogyoba nuwe lele mo bona. If na money they give you, that money go over you and go have for your throat. Now only you want be the Ogyoba. You dey hear me so? Only you want to be the Ogyoba. Muna go tag that useless boy come here. Muna go tag am. Muna share am go meet am, please. If you don't know go me, wa share again. I go more bogbe. Who be brokers? When you want to tell your people what to do, not to do. If you mogu no kwa, wa maladian, yeah, wa manaladian, ya so amwe bogbuwa. If you mogu no kwa, umogu nekere. That useless thing when that boy go do, may go do video. Go the video where you not supposed to video. For Moriomo. Mani wi okoriomo, mamo bobo will not send. E brokosi wabo to ave gangoge, iya ke ajun ya mwini amame. Una go juice una take carry with una plan. We may come from Moriomo, our are not day. The good people of Moriomo, our are not day. My family are not day. I not be Ogyoba. My family not be Ogyoba. My ancestors no be Ogyoba, not be my time and we will take start time. All of them when they parade on ourselves. Una want they parade on ourselves. Una go juice una head take carry with una plan. Una yes so agwa mo gwa bogbe agwa ologuwa agwa ologabo onaji kobo ya ki kobo. Since you as big as you are, big and 40, you don't get sense. You don't get sense. As you big rich, brokers, adema gungbuwe. As you big rich, you don't get sense. You don't sense. You don't get sense. You don't get. Carry people put for. Come, I'm your beaver. Do they not? Oh God, Larry, come. They not. I say where you dey go so and now no go area. No go area. Where una dey go so? No go area. This one no be Obaseki time o. No be Obaseki time. If we are set a village in a umogu no kwa umogu nekere, una need to come out o. Una debunk these people. Where yeah, so I'm bog. If you mogun, if you know say you come from Mogun, send message go give your papa and your mama for house. Those people when they parade themselves, whatever, make their feast they come out or else. Now from social media go they lay curse on una. Because I don't feel come bring disgrace, shame, come give us women come from Moriomo. Awa, God forbid. I don't feel come bring come give us. Tomorrow, me may come from Moriomo. Shame no, let me come. I don't feel come proud. I don't feel come feel proud. We are for come. Una when be miss blood, una mama. Ya mweko wako ere. They can go born for Moriomo there. Una go come out the constitute nuisance. See Yore now tomorrow go say na this one or na that one. Miss blood children. No say as e fair. Fair. Im mama carry belle, come born her for that place. Now go say he dey misbehave. You now, see you, the same thing, you fair. Miss blood. No real Oriomo pikin when you go see, when you go call him misbehave, you know dey. You fair, you're fair. The other one see fair small. That one Orioba more face. The same thing. No real Oriomo pikin go call him misbehave. You know dey. Una mama carry una belle come born una for our local government there. Una want dey bring shame come dey give us. Tomorrow na me come from Orion, I no feel proud. Talk say na Orion man for come. Na one come bring shame to us. Na one because of one person they come name us Orionba. Muna go tag broadcast for me. Muna call am come here. Ogun agbe wa sona. Ogun bawa no. Ogun agbe. You no sleep today o. No sleep. Okay, you don't become Ogun bad finish, eh? You don't cause problem put for ground. You want go sleep where? Ogun agbe. Yeah. I don't know. Ogun agbe. I think okay. When you don't make problem finish, you want come go where? You want go sleep? Hey, Justina, where's one? Justina, who be this one? Who should be say leave am alone? You know what he do? Who be this? Come, now you dey lick your toto. Who were me? Now you dey lick your toto when you say me I leave am alone. Ogun Babe King, get out. Man, mute you. Go sleep. You be enemy of our land. Go sleep. Ogun King, go sleep. Because if you not be enemy of our land, you not gonna tell me say me I leave this idiot alone. Because of one person now they call name full local government enemy of the land. You say me I leave am alone. Person wey dey throw insult, they talk anyhow. Person want cause problem for my local government. Where I for come? For the issue of Oriomo, we have never had any issue that had to do with our palace, which is some Monobanedo, Oba Ewa the second, Ogidiga one, Oba Atokpe, he said, we have never had any issue. That is why if I come out anywhere, when I go any platform, when I enter, I go introduce myself. I'm from Oriomo because I'm proud that we are clean. These idiots, all these idiots, if you mogun, eruwa keke, umogun no kwa. If you mogun no kwa, eruwa keke a. Na so na roti, umogun no kwa. Say if una no do the needs for if you mogun, if una no do the needs for, I'll come insult that full community. A birthday. If you mogun, if una no do the needful, that boy when go record that useless video, that video when that boy record, if una no bring that boy come out, if you mogun, you no go dey funny o, you no dey funny. Muna carry that boy come outside sharply. But you see this broadcast for years so, see fee say na abroad in dey nothing dey do am. I go beat this one for internet. Now bitter in house. Because na big fool be this one. Full as 40. If I be your girlfriend, today, if na me, God forbid, say I be your girlfriend, today now for break up with you. Today, because you are enemy of the land. Any Benin girl, when they date this one, if you be Benin girl, go break up with her. You dey sleep with enemy of our land. Now you dey sleep with, and you want born for am. Your pikin go become Ogyonba, enemy of our land. Now your pikin go be. If you be Benin girl, you dey date brokos, go break up with her. Go break up with her. May you go find all those slaves when they return come from Bantu, may you go marry. If you be Benin girl, break up with her. If you be girlfriend, you dey date her. Break up with her. Na very anyhow person o. You want because of her now, they want label full Oriomo. Oriomo people as enemy or palace. God forbid. Because of these idiots and some of them. You see, if you see wetin this boy come dey talk today for his platform, if you na listen to wetin this boy come dey talk today for his platform, I say if na me be, God forbid say, na I go break up with this one. This one an idiot. Full as 40. Brokos. Full as 40 now you be. Full as 40. Household enemy. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Osalobawa where that is why I love God so much. That is why God you're the review now. You're the review now to we the Benin. The good one. Say, see the kind of people wanna be. Wanna be pretender. Now they pretend. Oh, this why. Okpobona. No na be. Okpobona. Oyemugbe. No na be. Oh, mommies, we say, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. I really appreciate. We say. All these people, they pretend. Household enemy. Thank God. God they push you now. Una they bring our face, they come out. God push them where we want see our enemy. When be say they don't they live with us for long. We don't know. God bring them come out. Because they say stone where you see, if they come for far, you know they blind her. As God don't reveal you now, God don't reveal all of now they pack una come out now. We like her like this. And that is why we go to beat you now. We go to beat you now. Idiots. Now tomorrow you go come out, you say you be man, you be fool. Idiot how you be. Go listen to the video when you do today. Go listen to am. Wait till you yourself you talk. And you say you be Oriomo. You be fool. Your mama carry your belle come from outside. Come born you for there. Go ask your mama who be your papa. You no come from Oriomo, no go egbo, No come bring shame to us. We come because we go egbo. Sakmanon ware you on one. No go bring shame. Come give us the good people of Oriomo. We mind our business. See the issue of Edo. Oriomo will never have any issue with our palace. Your mama go carry your belle, come from outside, come born her for Oriomo there. See all of you now will be enemy of our land. Una yellow, miss blood. Yore, That one yellow, fair, miss blood. That one saying na from Oriom Onogungbe. And you see our Benin people go down our platform, they shout, hey, aye, Jimmy, that Ibiedo wa coin, it's so coin, yeah, it's so coin. Now go your platform. Enemy. The ojuju when they swear for Yore, you go see follow whosoever when they go Yore platform. If you don't know, ọmọ imwe bog bene alene ukponre orajukpon no ma rie oga same no ma anwa ame ọmọ na mwe bog be generation curse. Pesi come out, Yore come out, come dey cry because of the curse you want return now, but it's too late. Now if they pack all of una joy body for the curse, you think say she no know wetin dey do. You think say she no know wetin dey do because you no want more than one take for that curse when they lay for am that time. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ náà tiẹ̀ bọ̀ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ rẹ̀ ọ̀gbẹ́ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ náà tiẹ̀ bọ̀ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ rẹ̀ àríọ̀ ẹ̀. Generation curse. This time around your office say nothing dey happen. I pity the father and the mother wey go born am for the next generation. Those one, you know, pikin, you see person like this brokos now, Iyore, Monkey Face, Uwa Sophia, Lily, Agbanoje, Esan first daughter, which other one? Esan history, no fund, no trust fund, yes, so on and so forth. These people so when their name so, if you all come from Edo, they pray every day, say God, don't let me born pikin. Like if they all this one say make you not born out for your family because if you get money before, they go wreck you. You go spend, God forbid, your enemy go spend all your money for hospital. You dey hear Bini go say omikbere, uki. Emi now we not anusin. Wetin he do now? Wetin they do now? You go call the worry the next generation, next life. If they come life, their head go big, their hand go make again, their leg go make again, their belly go make fikbo. Or more here more. Here like they go be like. See, I want to describe them well so that most of them will not understand all this thing. They go be like omikbere ekado atinya we omikbere where awa kminyare o e ma kminyare oge no emi ni ayo bian sivinari anu so do alogian. The moment their mama go you born this one now, like people like their brokers now, you born them. If the person get money before, the person will become poor. They no go die. You just say they go die. No. The family when rich, they go make am poor. And they tell you the implication when these people they do now. People like their brokers. You want born the next generation, next life. They pray, say God, may I not born like this pikin, may they not follow my family come. Because even though say na dangote, they are not destroy. They go come, they go waste the person money. The person go become poor. To where you know fit to away. You know fit to away them. Until they make that family poor, then they'll come die. That time they already do what they want to do. That is eternal curse. Any family when they follow come, the same thing. Now they go to do. So una way, why am I saying all this? Una way be Bini. when they got these people platform. Yore, Brocos, Mofiface, Lily, all this Oge Oge Nagba, all those ones. Esan first daughter, all those ones when they don't lay curse on. You're on your own. You're on your own. You think say they don't know what that they do? They pack all of now, they join body. They pack all of now, they join body. Now this one, this Miss Blood say he come from Orion on Ogungbu. Come here. Brokos Adema Ogungbu Ogyoba, enemy of the land. May person come because of you now. As you mumuri, full as 40. Full as 40. As you mumuri, you know the shame. Big as you are. Big as you are. You as a man. You no even be man self. The time when they take born you, Brokos. The time when they take born you and you reach to go carry cassava farm. Yeah? You reach to go carry cassava farm. Maybe by now, your family go be one of the richest farmer for the whole world. You don't cause problem finish now. You want go sleep. They want come because of you now. Label the full local government. Say, this one na Oriomo for Como, this one na Oriomo, this one na for Oriomo, mini Oriomo people. Now majority of them now. Come, Brokos, he can never be well with you. All of you now, All of you now. You, Mofiface, Lily, all of you now. It shall never be well with you guys. Shall never be well with you. One bridge you can't give us. Tomorrow, I know if you come to talk, say I come from Oriomo because of una any trait. If na money they pay you, if na money they pay una, you don't see collect your money, you go on gbu. Say na money they pay una, una got to bring our state down. Now na head una go take carry with una plan. You dey hear me? Now una take carry with una plan. Ìwà bọ̀ lára gbé wàá mi o. Ìwà bọ̀ lára gbé. Ìwà bọ̀ wọ́n kí lára gbé wàá mi o. Because of una now, they'll come begin come dey insult full Oriomo people now. Because of una. Because of una. Because of una useless character. People wey no know themselves. No go back there wana gbuwa. Wana ju wa zefa. You know permanent people when come from Oriomo. You know permanent people when come from Oriomo Brokos. So go gboa Brokos. When you talk of Oriomo, you know permanent people when come from Oriomo. Payo Segberamo Dubu, the former deputy governor for Edo State, na Oriomo ma. Ize yamu na Oriomo ma. Many like that. Many permanent people wey come from Oriomo, all this Destiny Bagua, You dey hear? Na Oriomo people. There's Nebagwa. Oriomo person. Esther Dokpa Oriomo. Talk of another one again. Eji Silimi Oriomo. Mogo Park Oriomo. You know how many people wey come from Oriomo? I know they name them small. Obiagegi Jesu Oriomo. All those one our artists. Now they name so. Our celebrity. So many. When bisa no go fit remember. Many. Starly, that one when they see they call Starly again. Oriomo person. Osamore boy. You know permanent. You know people when you come from Oriomo. Permanent people. Okay, because of Unanado, normal can bring shit, can't give una papa, give una mama. Because of your foolishness. No good boy, a broadcast no mama. A boy na broadcast no atie. Ogun ba, ogun bu. Enemy of our land, na e be. If you na dey see this boy so, na broadcast na they call am. This boy so, na ogun ba, ogun bu. Enemy of our land, na e be. Now they talk say they come from Oriomo. And we go fish una family and we go fish them out. If na the thing say maybe na the way when they sound go be now go be, you no go be like you no go be like you no dey. We go fish una family come out. Na generation will fish una out. Oh,
Hello, my brother.
Mama call Staboa.
I greet you. What no deba, you know. Where a woman I will not mirror you understand. Type of na working. You know, we are moving. A man over at here. Nive kumo.
You are tebonia.
No gundo dig me away. Because enough is enough now. I mean, do me we be talking with what attack me. Okay, with
Could you imagine?
Even no mak banonia. I mean, near Ratava DC, I was shocked. You know what I'm saying? I get be a way me. Mogu, if you mogu no one who go in my shower, me, your fair shot, me, your fair calm.
Mama, me wa denia. If you mogu no kwa, me wa denu wage yeze nawa. Yeze nawa, if you mogu no kwa, yeze nawa.
Okbeni was swimming on Okbeni is one. Okbeni as one.
You don't tell me though, even for Benin, even for Benin, Mama. Mama, if you mogun mo your talk truth. If you mogun even for Benin, the evil they are, they even they talk am. They are proud of their evil. If you mogun no kwa, hey, wamanala, hey, I'm your beaver do awano.
What?
I'm your beaver do.
That was only for 12.
Na the hear me. Brokos no go ban no go agbe. Yes, a mebo gbodun na no ro. How ale guy.
I went in there and then if you move no one. I was again down where we had been within the we have me and in the good down.
Yeah, me magag me mago we.
I walk no pay walking. Now wow.
No different.
Wow.
Now when I make body na time after no different with them with some people.
A difference if every time I maintain where's when where he am. It will keep fucking no matter or pay.
There be this thing.
Oh, I be a brother. Ah, what if they need a question?
If they not come out, if you mogun wamana ladian, no, we need their family. A boy, you know, ya recording videos on you. We need that boy, and we need the family. This one not be play. Oh, the autism may be na charge play, sha. Mas is a lay cost in your way. A brocos me by Jenna. Ah, where?
Ebrokosi no look bogo no gbewo no gbewo ba gbe brokosi. Agbon yawe we bo do gbebo mi e ko brokosi. Agbon de gbe ma we akwa wo. Ewe bo no gbe na. Iya bi e do we gume ba. Eni ju e no wo. Eni ra iba bodo fi ekun le lo e. Agbon de gbe ma we, u de gbe ki o ma wa gbon wa wo. Iyo bi yo bo ki agbe ne bi o we bo na wo ni ta yo ki aye. Ebi Johnny ka o kai.
He said, "Why you
I know you're buying a do ya kai."
He said, conversation wa agbi say yo. He said,
the way they take buy you, look at you, cheap idiot. Around.
he said,
Your mate abroad, they walk man winner. A bone man who bear back no brokos. A bone. I think what we go no. Ovi, Matiere, Ugu no Sungu, no Kumogu, no Kwamogu, no Hua. How wa be 5,000 naira ke kan una wara iba bo fi ekun le lenu ame gbo ni bi o
we are gay.
We ma say 32 years nu na mo make ya wenu gbe o ba ko ha we ya ara lu wenu gbe o we no hu ju we iba bo do fi ekun le lu e take
we fan boy
akere ni no 25 years no we ekun mo gun no kwa no wa iba bo afi iba bo ga fi ekun le iri mo gun no how what here like what here do this what do he will boy because I'm your bevavedo
I'm your bevavedo avoir I'm your bevavedo
he
avoir no
oh go have here to if you do what he do wa mu dia boy wa ke dia ya tabu amana ye mi ya mu bi wa ma obi yo ma o ma yo yin mi mu bi yo ma obi ma mu
conversation wa power tapping na wa be power tapping
no sagara ni bini no do fi pe gegbe ogun ogbo ye do ni no fi pe gegbe o wa pe o
mama Wesley
you walk with my brother
Wesley conversation wa power tap
thank you very much
Wesley mama Wesley
very much so no bad
Wesley he said
you go be here because you have a big marry me now.
Okay. The problem is Wesley.
Okay.
Comment section while our power type. You feel send your request come. If you this matter na Oriomo people. If you Oriomo send the request via day or Obie Dohin send the request via day. A brokosi we gang oga enya oni iwe do wa de o iwe ori omo wa de o e brokosi we gang oga enya oni lebe ima enya oni lebe iwe ori omo bros
oye omo ihin oye owo agbemi
me
Tori
I greet you sir I greet you
ti ya gba ya gba
wa mo gbin ya na
e ma ni ya so to god e de gbe ma ni ya gbo na ka gba ari awe
as far say e brokosi laja na ve na awo de gbe gbanu
se
awo de gbe gbanu di igo ni ari enu ni di igo ni ari enu o demi no robo ori ohun ya do ekinu do na o ogun ogbo egbera gbiju e gbigio wa we my brother make your contribution
what I got to tell my Oriomo people, my Oriomo brothers. I beg you, will not be two, now one will be. And one place now will carry our face. All about my behavior.
awa
You understand? So, one small village, you know, if you can concern cause us problem, our polay. Because of my policy, ọbẹ̀, my policy, owó.
oye twin mejo ibadi ne na o pa kan yeje ba oye twin we gani ege no pe ege ni ye kere rude bere abi ano
Lọ́sẹ̀ ránjẹ, igwe. Ah, okay.
Anale umogun ekere la o.
Yeah.
Agbera umogun ekere umogun ekere umogun okwa ke ayi se na. Onye
Yeah.
tun ba you wala wa power tap so that the wa be gun we share wala wo ibi do wala o. If you dey comment section, you fit send your request come. I will say one now. This matter not be matter of friendship again. O. No, not be friendship. Osagunmon say or say God forbid. God forbid. Osagunmon say o.
Ah,
No be
wow.
God forbid. To be enemy of our land, not carry or not come close to me at all. Because I don't want to make the curse. When they follow you, come follow me. God forbid. Send your request now. You not send request, say make I bring you come up. So you send your request. Your request dey there. See request here. Ah, mad people. Send your request again. Who be that? Send your request again. Resend your request again. You don't know say na better thing wan come talk o. If not be better thing, I just drop you. I just get time for all this una nonsense. Because of one mad person now, this useless brokers now. Because of this useless brokers now, person go saloboa. Say ma orion ba wa. Ibi orion mo.
We don't want la children umo no hua.
Umogun no kwa. Wamana ladia. Wamana ibi mogun no kwa. Wamana ladia. Isa Ghana yes today na your day because I go work today. I dey little bit tired. And I don't first do live video since. So if una not come out, we need that madman when go do that useless video. Be me one day, here. I think Omesi Ben ni experience on me. We go be ano. We one day. I don't understand.
Yeah, we talk to her.
I don't know why I don't know why. Mama, send your request again. You become a princess. Even self, only me na tana. Only me. What happen? Hello, na dey hear me? Hello. What happen to my life? Okay, say yes. Okay. Well, where say? Mama, you fit send your request again. You fit send your request again. Be me one day. Only me begging you whether Ode Ahiafi something like that. I'll wàhálà díẹ̀. Na only the noise na you dey hear. No be ọkàn ní na ya ogun ọgbẹ́. Okay, I think I now have accepted it. Okay.
Ihan go me han water call butter.
Ìyẹn ọgbẹ́ mama Costa.
Call beba wese.
Costa.
My wese kaka boy o iga power tap o bo na a mistake ya de kan.
Okay.
Na withdraw when we power tap mana ge.
Yeah.
But wese
Where say mama?
And it might be no log a broadcast now to even start with where we're getting the one agbo when ye broadcast if you que any nigga. Any na me yari ovan here, my me agbo yari ovan. Ona where if you que we hey yari ovan. Might be no log well, saloba.
Okay, I trade now. Okay, you trade now. On now we agbera boundary.
Saloba la o egume yon bound down no
It's a
Orien wo no.
it's a my
Oti man khaire ise baba. When oti man khaire ora ko music akobe. Ogo wan orien ba me no yasi 1 year. Ogo gbera yon mana 2 year. Me no yasi 1 year.
we mo toga garia. We egwe.
Orien egwe swai.
Sorry.
Ni make that of your here.
Yes now.
Egbe brokos na mi o won ya mo no ama. Onda. Mame kene o kana yivie kwera ya kude. Wo yi wa ama me agbonde. Oma yi wa zeri bae. Owo wa no kwa. Ehien do ya azakon. Emi ni raima o. Emi we mado nwa bara eruwe wu na wa o. We say we ni rie bae teme ga.
Mama, where say mama?
Ko. Obi wa o.
Okay, mama.
Wo mogu no kwa no ye wo kere. Ha? Mogu no kwa be olonigbe a odion.
Take me out, mama.
Abi e wo ya no. Abi gboko no.
Obi mogun no kwa yen kere.
Egbo e ba ogo be ta, o da gbe mi na mi ma ta wonu yan.
I said, mama. Man.
Ano yi ki yan ba ze mo yiwe na to good monu kaya go no ke kun.
Man, no. But
Oje ma mi.
the broadcasting, ojeregwe, ukpomo no kuri omori, avie. When you talk of deputy governor, former deputy governor, Pius Egberamo Dubu, Oriomo man. This Pastor Sageze Yamu, Oriomo man. All this Destiny Bagwa, all of them. Now Oriomo people, and Stadok Bayi.
Anywhere ni man.
Ni me wa be eba be na kina mama. Wesi. Permanent people we come from Oriomo. Now this one we see the America, those are Iran, all of them. Permanent people. Because of una useless character, they'll come lame, they'll come the trauma to people now. Now that one they pay me pass. Because ogun ogbera gbiju e wa mi o. Ogun ogbera gbiju e. Iyan we Owens.
Baba iyan we la ho na.
Iyan we mama.
Na me ya bona se emi bi awo na ma ya yin agi. Unda do wo modan ga bi agi agbo modan brokos.
Mama, when no sunu e boy na ya wa deal with because eri ma ya wo eri oge e boy na ya la jamege ni. Wa se ti e mo ki face. As far as yen na wa obi do na and yen na wa yen bi e kori omore. O se ya na deal with or say you now deal with it, yeah, because you go collect for this social media. This TikTok.
Oye menoro ni age ni ogbe agba ko ari gbe ni no ri ko no ri la platform ore ri ro gbera iyan wa be broadcast na pari gba mu yomure oyo ri gbo yen ni gbe oyo re ibi ane yowa o eni gbe ko dore no ri la ke no ye ro ori bi edo yin wa yi ba agwa so e broadcast na mana we ro enwa e yo ge han bi aje
eri owa aje ìwà bọ́lá ìgbé ohun ẹ̀yọ́ ọ̀wọ̀ ya talk.
Yoba itowa o princess ero.
Kare wanasi okay babako bokian.
To sister me wato wayaka ona
Seke we honwe.
Yogo me to waya e blokoso yanye o yu vio e.
Wọ́n ṣe bàbá yẹn ọ̀pọ̀.
Ibrokosi na iwe ida ne dene cause ime wa oza Ibrokosi na be ni o iwa ge o mai so amore rigbuto o ina ko age manyu platform me dokba me igi wasokba onarie platform oge monkey face o isi monkey face me ni agbata ina wa ki platform ma so avie ave picture ge oloi ona so avie ladian where we can marry two sister so mina age so inye wetin the bonko emine monkey face high o inye wetin the bonk then na analyze because okay me wa be gbe me omenoji me my fit bell or my so fit bell but on wetin the bonk because inya we mi bozu so ina age so only we grafo e boy na yan wa ke platform e na ma se de kan loyi yin wa vi picture wa violadia o te yan te yon vi po picture no ri ke o lugan e ni eta lugan so always we na yan gbe first time we are climbing platform or even then abi that 3 days ago if I'm not mistaken or 4 days na do yodo na do to because do mi ave na we bon sa na do a kwa o mi no ga ta ve dero ni so mi na do na lare oko egbi o emi no weta na o kan impression or yeke na we are woman kind we but as a traditional person ave sagania una or heke draw attention we palace na okay we have draw attention avolo ina no iri we yeke na we ya draw attention or we o mother de kan we e platform ya na hina we emi ya ti we wa una the only way ya draw platform na okay only we gberafo o man we mu platform na no win monkey face we va gbagwan sin na we la re o monkey face na no tana no we a tradition we tradition we ya you we traditional as a tradition person as a is my tradition blah 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 no tradition we ya you na we ya gboro na we ya ro we ya you gaga na we monkey face we mu ya do ba o ba na re ya ro vie gwa trovie ne we no we do keke tradition we o ya rovie we the platform we doni o we mu yo do ba o he we ze wona me o we e monkey face o we yen platform o na we no ba yen ya go the bank so o ti as far we o ma go against a topic in a tamana anybody can come his platform or agwagbera heke yen mu fa even ke we born a remagba o no is no stable but we na every mege ovie no we mogune ma no what na be pishoge no gine gbe ma be okoni na kikoni no we make no kiri ni gire de oba no na to oikbe we kinoje or fear feeling emudo for yan do solo with TikTok so we do so with TikTok do agwale ivedo no asi bagbe me wa na do beg brokos yin brokos yi wado ya agwa yi wete ogbe ni ke wa ke ni gwale kinyara fi pe ge irabije egwa so me do me wo brokos na o ma gbon yi even wa gwalo na hina maybe attention brokos wa gwalo maka me ka wa brokos na ma gbon o ma na gbe oko and only oviedo no de gbe ni vini vete auba ito ma we kuma da re me ite wa ro to sin o ya te yin du ni ti agwegbon because won de mekere uwe enogi uwe o enogi ma iya eri ma be fearful le mu do be fo egbe ma be oko ni ime be gogo yo ona mu odion we yo ime be gogo ma we won understand me don we egbin ya hu uno ya mu gbeken what you know wunyo ti
àti ìvie nọrọ ọbẹsẹ mana sinsha ìvie nìvie ọbẹrẹ bẹ la ma yọ ká the first person no send a request re So he still appreciate me. So you know, I still understand that because all the me can do too much. I can't understand. Maybe now because of that one, he can react this evening. I still understand. We are getting now a woman no zuo be France Evani. Iyore Oriomo. Olona Oriomo. Abe maniwa according to wetin dey talk. Abe maniwa go people when we all come dey talk for this big full platform today say all of them say they be Oriomo. One of those kind of things go provoke person. You understand? So
Amate,
thank God
amate,
say now
oyeba,
she still understand.
oyeba, amase, nyamase na ando ya fukbe giromo. Uromo bolo my brother.
I
Uromo
say
toniwa.
iwe gwe be
So,
kwa.
na be ya fukbe we, who are sick official video. I'm not dying gbe video nigi. Inye wa be cross the line. I'm a kino no ne rude abe mane gbe ma ho na. E ma me ne brokos ni na. Wa wonu we piwa na so do ya mu picture inye gogo yin mege because gbe ma be ho inye gogo yo. O tinye gogo yin masi make. We go na gbon.
Ima gie wa gwiri gie o. Umato go teme. Sorry, mo mi go da we boda unwe. E brokosi na.
Kise ke we.
A baby mama oka ya sunwe. Oyigege okado gba ihu ya ni bele ne okasun baby mama. Ogege ke baby mama mari do. Ona kado afinu gedo. Ege ne ya mu episha vi je no kwala dan vi olo ila dan we gwa. Igbera adere mede mudia ba tan ye de Tori mawe. Iwa fia ogbera ima mudia ulule ya yan yon pe wa ni re. Ona ebe enye na be na nu ebe kosi mari mi ogo biakera muladian ye ma mi ibije ibira de no eri okwe va mami avela mami wokera no jono dogo wokera no pogeva no vio e kugbe ah ona enye no mana unu baba ibi ere dario ulule ya legbe heva mami ho then when na me tai na ima kara o me se o me so ima bere o Ige nze geri
Omo
on
no
Bible
igwe.
ko.
Wato pesesero. Omo no igwe mo kifisi mo bone. Eh? We mani aji because no we brokosi na we are gesu we agwe o saba yo ko bome egbe ma we gba niyen e aglasi ni yin wari aglasi ya o ya gwa okekan egbe ma gba ne ona mo na yekina do aru da do won sa do David won sa de me aye mani egbe ma ho wa
Brother na we here go. Brother
okay oya we sayo
la wo la pronounce ni we na me brother ko.
1 minute.
Huh?
Hello. 1 minute.
We no pronounce ni we.
chaos
Chaos better do doing here.
Okay.
Ogen wa taori vini viban abli megbe ke ba se no de ade di we ni yabe iwiron wa vela jan se fi me surprise me te wa tiki we ami ana ka wa megbe ko na kedero adi me o te we amu me ne chef
Agbele ya la wa why worry? Ya agbele ya la wa. Me all of the come out. Now they are picture
Brother Chaos why we la brother Chaos we wa brief me no so now I'm tweeting on politics ya so for the why maybe je inside the what so no worry ma me la wa brief
no gyo bano ladi an ti oba nugu ni o me pok bano mo ni pisho o wa appreciate o yin na no da bi Nigeria owe oba mera ti na ya suspend we yan date yan fin gbe o yan mu e me yan create orion state e be na the way they have vela je me na avi yan na wa ro re do ke ge di ama me yan na kwere otuta be igbo na iye sana mete arme anoda imagine we yan na afa aso han fesi so no I blame my pa yo because little woman la diana afon ta wo pa yan yin we yan na o yin dugwe do gbe so no
dia we ha creator yan social media na hana suspend dia social media bini traditional council we are there Awe do we udori ami emi lawo we we. Yeah, my mugbe mi here, we are mugbe yan here ne. They know what to do. Nobody is telling them when you get if you're one. They should go ahead. Abi, Eriono.
No,
Yo,
na
yo
we.
te que no.
Can I vivi go ke duza ke dora de. Ia ma vela dia me ia vela. De tia vela dia. Ima ta we ma ve yeki. Ia na ma vela dia. We ni ya vela dia na se fe. Me na ia na do bun se vi go sef. We are on social media. Ia bun. Avi vi ori on mama. O se na wa mo na. We are de ia sef. I play me ivini vie. Ia
So yo
bun.
ba ayo ni mo won san de me. Yo yo vida. Eve ni ahia use awadu doni do afisi yoro yo kurion. Uwa ge wani be na bi meji platform ni platform ni ne no wiyo me beno de pa ma wa setien beno de ye ko pa ma e wa setien. Meji de platform be na. E wa no kini platform on a vi picture ne inogi ala dia we orioba we make no one orioba me na ata wo boy na no so viene picture ne inogi la diana was it inogi was it oge no abanu bu o mo ne picture la dia e wani vu wa yo brother ave lili vie sanike ovwa iya channel udo ame nya tara de wonu
Ekeneti wonyagaje anaka
ana munani
miene.
so on meta e channel na wa tane energy na kwa eka ado channel je ave because e brokos na o ba yin
Brother like agwan
ohun
Okay, brother Kels, my dog talk for or tell we agwan baba.
Ti gwana.
Agwan
so yere ma
go yiba.
ayo wa ke go
No ka gwanfo ne.
Memevo iyan na do a channel wa se wani we na no de la de unia may they abolish traditional ruler may they abolish no okay iyan ka abolish aslem we oge vie what it vie bu imine de wa ke do agwa ne ku no pere na we maka abolish only how it unya we gbe ma we okan ni. Yes, I talk me they abolish everything. Mo bege ekene unya gaji anamia because me was wani uwa Sofia orewani uwa Sofia na ya mulagawa o mulagawa ni if at me tamini o ma oron pana na we ma uwa Sofia wona do agwan ye matana we ma we ni no ba we owi robano we are you na o ye tami ona ya tami bo ni ba ni we matana eri yen kai we bag wa beg me so ememe wo yana ne we kuro na we gwe ahin iya ma fia wo ye ya ma se do de ke gwe ke ba ya na libya
from village to abroad many
so ni ma fia wo buse ibi go buse wo we ibi gwe ma sa de na any mind
our tap bala wo conversation wala
any mind kusa ye any mind ring road ye any mind gbekun ye if you go up buse we see we aga wunya wa mini ya gwan ebunu we gbe ma enya ma fion ye ni wata we yo enya ma fion oge blocos na wala wo wa wona wa do afisi blocos all the data wa gbe publicity ne ye do ara
that
wa be mu gbehere wala wa we mu fo because ye was na ta wa ka bo ashana yo all the even be important
me ba me go see so we that pa ma giving I try understand see so we iyen meme oge ni no meme ni ya be du fun oge bi ne o do mo yen kere obo o do mo yen kere o do mo eme kebire I try understand arun opa ai na do aru daru opa do afinu do age ebu ya mekin akwe ibi ori omo amai maye igbe karata na. You understand? Imenwade erime averame yamado egbe kina so eve maybe egime na egbe matana kia na be so okay be so be do so be ori omo igi no so ba no that ya be gbe o ma na fi wo re de isu agbe o ti o fi wo re on ti o fi wo re
de mwere ya gbe awo ewero na broadcast na fi wo re e fi wo re okpa okwe udi de yokere e fi wo re e ga de mo ki
be la platform
wa bota o
call daddy
blessed
blessed
ala iwa da he no wa tare broadcast na do te pakata si o ke ke wa re magba ni ha wa dogi ya de wa zu of social media na ya fefe e wa gba 100% ro wa ya deeply wa me where they are sick una we ya fi egbe mo ki face ke ya ni won egbe gbada ni ha obugwa so pia do ogwa na asehye kwa adu wa ke ya ke wo ye go ma gwa abie dili na mi de pasoko wore when you hear they are hebe na ya kini these are people that have no base e wana mi when people wana agwa na wana we do agwa like na we e ma gwa no. Why they broadcast? Why they waste time where you want? Because every warrior is who he is. One of a mental issue. Or when you go away, okay, even though he or you know, because that is who he is. Understand why they wasted time about all these broadcasts and all these things? You know, why this is where I'm from. Orion local government. Where Orion a state of his own. Those are just people propaganda. Wait, Anna. Orion state. Orion as a traditional people. Wait, and I want to say traditional people. That's how I know them to be. So for them to wear, yes, if that is a new this thing, the people should go and look for their own state outside Orion. They can go to the east. Then they have the state here. They will tell them the state here. They are wasting their time. Who is there among them? Okay, power to declare Orion state. Understand? So we pray that the holy ayegbe ya here oya to his to egbe so e won yari ya hin no paya de by here do agbo egbe kan mami ege o wa ni said there nda de by here agbo egbe kan. So that is what is going on now. Are you here for wa gere fefe ya de ba agbo egbe kan gbe here kan. So they are business people. Please, why give I give you too much concern because Edo better where Edo Giawori, Opa Giawori, a British warrior, Opa Giawori, again a Biafra warrior, Opa Giawori, again and I will okay. I will Canada hotel hotel do. Oh Giawori, but what is going to be is going to be. Where I have banana dioba. Okay. So now here fellow go on and they will come and go. It make the Benin Traditional Council, the Benin tradition to be more stronger. It make us to they are publishing us to the whole world. Where every no ma ho na yegbeta, yegbeta agwa na ya brigade down here the enemy. They hear Bobby won't talk, but we cannot see near a door. Agua like him, oh, yeah. Be near a pan of all you. What do you know? On our hand, won't talk, but do you know the jealousy of the river? I just said in my hand, my boy, but I'm a the way you call one. What do they have to even say in a dose? What part they have in a dose state? Talk less Nigeria and history. A history part on here, give without where do history am here. So when my name is based in here, you don't have history. Apart from a history do, you can give. What the good answer, they know who they are, they know where they came from. They know it's only those mixed blood who we are. And they run the mixed blood again, Lamamo, or Lamamo, often obey you with that, or with herself. So the mixed blood here, you make a bit son, so now I'm here where the Koyoko now. A mixed blood, the boom, we are. That is why it's called all this thing. The real answer people, our Oh, Wakamawa, so my people why did they get about that way? Okay, Brokos the Wafia corner. Brokos is having major issue. Wawage over Sofia no as a Buloko Boba. Our money here. Over Sofia can never make one sentence. No where any touch where or one mogwaka apart from where blah 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 blah. We are saying that those where they get but do I ask for all Karokwa no. So my people, whatever wagi na border wagi yore no mobile yak bebo. On what have yak away he. Oga zebo tobu wige. Oga gueka e ba ya you down all you give na.
Man of thinking bar, speak it. Man of thinking bar, speak it true.
You be budget that. We are well ho. On your iwe na hu we am egbe. E yoro hinia. Iwe na hu we am egbe. On what have yak away you ogwan. We are. How we are so we are. So my brothers and sisters, wabeba.
Mama Costa.
What's up, call? Anyway, you know, yeah, when you do when we broadcasting, no. Yeah, to what I will need, because if the broadcasting go along, yeah, only where those saga in. Then while I be broadcast right from time, I don't know. Or we what by we post, or by we so I go on my later with the big strike. And he can't stop anytime soon. He will go attention with ma. Again, not do I go here? Now so I say name. Now so they say I not be bini. Erere brokosi magba my brother. I for say me we just kukuma. Me we just look don't like say he know they exist. Now bizu bebe or man exist. So only advice of money at the tower, and not still no as on a look at, but for me, it's of no use, brokers for real.
Because, Mama, if you not say me nagli worried, you understand? Do ya quita where I don't ba or if you not take or something like that, a parable.
Yeah.
A parable no will do. I tell you, if one person do something.
Drunk bawa, I don't bawa, na tell drunk bawa.
Hey, Dwagbawa. Okay. So, you understand me? A woman, I'm again, remember Gabi Aswin. Yeah, Yori. You understand? Yori, remember Gabi Aswin, again, Shiri, Nabe, Wage. Before you know, small.
Oh, sorry to cut you short, my brother. I'm not going to broadcast it. Again, my boy, I saw any one platform.
Yeah, maybe not taberna. Where
no, not public. Now, Jesus, when also again.
He didn't get what you not taberna.
Wait all day, be soon. Only the broadcast in that time. Mama Ferro, I do understand the
also na be na mogu gbe wa be ni na si aye ogun ogbe because e broadcast na if not tabe now or where ave rima vigiman ya colonizer ije colonizer or even not tabe platform ogbe na ona stream awori ona Philistine magoro ona temi nege tabe na
because you know that way eminoka sunu we go about vora me go talking and there sunu ona nu dana no wa mi na
ogun ogbe ye ze na
dana no wa mi na
ye ze na no
Prince Owen la baba just 1 minute. Mommy Vera call your boyan. Saga.
Mama.
Now you are when you watch na paya do a week better than no save or now because
the problem is
everywhere
nene yore na kadene na yego nene mo kifesi na kunkunwe eriyo ge no de na eriyo
kaka boya we hoere
de na wa no akota na wa ya do na wa ro wori na no da
Okay,
no
mama.
no da o ma mi no ize yo o he we jo le no
Oh, we kakapa.
na wo e mo ki
Okay,
face
mama.
me de na wo o wa Sofia wo IPOB na ka mo cheledi IPOB na gbere we no yo we ati do mi ma kegbe o to kan rije eri mi no fiana eri mi no yi fian na la baba onda o ka na gere han ya li ba ede ya hi be gwa sa gere han do aje ri e mo ma wa we se ye do no zo mo da
We say mama. Me ma egbiya wo me.
Wow.
Iya ga yu da na ye we yokori omo ya kere gbe wa wo mi yokori omo te ka be je me ya na egbiya yo iya ye imu me. Eh?
Ono na ije
Wow.
mweke ekwoge kwere. Ono na zua.
Ete wo be agwa la dia because sama na mi no gwa la dia na wa ke ya wo pa ya kin. Ne ko fi fo ya.
Okay for person now mama bo mo understand at least obviously
Now,
yeah
if you don't want pack you a platform according to wetin dey talk o.
why do you
Me
want yeah
on say me
don't
na go
know.
adia.
Ya
Go bano ga gwa wa nge na ti ora ku. O ge stand ni. O ge stand.
Okay yes sir
Ave
okay
Beni, ave POB and one maker now so near do if you are near where you run here. Ave IPOB, ebe unero na ibobe ave send Beni no ro. Iya one maker na was when near do and do mudia so when near do ya no. Ya no.
Iwe gane boy na that work platform me gbe 1 minute yan very ne no mo na think there is something behind it. A boy na me
O
gbe
ge ba.
say even 30 seconds il y a be ya very live ne awu dan na ya very live ne e ba ni na we o sa lo bo apa yan ze e ma ni bun ni veje va ya tawo vi okorion ya yan vi okorion.
Wa ge ba ye do me. Kwa ga munwere na mwere na mwere ya ge. Wa ge mo ki face na no wi mo ki face. Oriedo. Ona te basa kina
Send
te
your request
ya
again,
ha.
please. Send your request again.
Ona re ya hara. Ona te police ne. Mi ya so agwa level. Enyo le e o foga ma be keno leji o we video fo ama o yo boji la fo o ba wani re e ba ni to ni na e kaba kana we yen gwa le won na ti mi yan re 2 million e ba na ke so asola dan we yan gwa le ke yan na gbogi yen wa gbe wa we yan gwa le yen o ni na gbra fo o ami no we yore make no ke yore Oye Nigeria kuna ya mume
You're IPOB.
IPOB no no we no reference
IPOB table or table you wa no where the whole
no Igbo
no
Igbo
who ba wa ebo no ka ho IPOB no.
And don't you pay your wo ga po ye wo mi dan ya no ga because yan money ya
Iremila na ya nwa me lolo ikechinere wa ma ga na mu lolo ikechinere ne
ona po ye wo ona we agbonfo ya ga gbon na o we regret it ba ni emi owe
o regret be iwe ino ya meta na edokpa na aso ona aso i platform ona via nya be no we president social media president no region ni me no we be mo fi be ti
I'm off your face
region mo fi face no ba won
ah me ati abeg di Murphy
Eddie Murphy. Yeah, but now, yeah, na are in TikTok, yeah, na agua, something like that. Or now, via money where,
ono teka ya zera
only do worry, no, pepper soup, we go. We have pepper soup, we go. And I do agua, you're going, you're worrying, agua. You don't know, Avia, or we met yeti, you are. Owe ni rona yeti ju o ne tona life wa no wa be awo shebe gani o e gani na ti ale le nene mo fi
Nene video you wrote today.
ati okay ona via we yeti ju wa o we yeti ju wa ke we so we yeti ju wa then we do aganya with TikTok e de no we be mo ki fu era wo ma ti mu ra ju wa e Sofia iya igwale rice wa iya na ko kera iya we na gwana na ira o like no idu no te ka je tira ira be family go iya le wa Sofia ne gbe ma yo ko TikTok na ti de gbe jo wa de so inya na mi a wo ya be ne we egbe ma yo
na ya condemning ya meti la wa
ma ye mana na ma so wa ba na ma ganya yo ganyare ma nya to ma nya wa ni so inya oni a be leli ma nya oni a se ma so ne gbe ma be yo ko ma be ne mo e brokos na be ye ni a be se ba gbe na me ke na be ya fi pe ye oweri yan wujiyan because yen we e ba ka o di ba gbe ma ni ye do because ma gele eri ma ni o sewe ama hireri ma je Brazil hireri ma je America yeni me ya ware o ti egwani imela na abie me de imela ba ni de ugburiri no ya agbara ba ni ege ni agbara ba yi me ya ke ba ya ge ururi ogbunya me imela palasi ni de but ibi ya gbon aku ibi ku no ba be je una o se me we try so me do beg anyway e ma so ro yin ma uyi egwani ogbu ma ya fe but ma ni bu ma yin ma uyi no ke wa ni de uwe oye do we hin kunu ri aji no
the social media wa re me na la yen gbe
mi a gbo ige pe mu me oye do na gele una oye do ekini meji na me na gbon he no ebu sen re ba ni ya hin gbon no de unu me tala dan yo je me vosie oye do hin igbon pa mu me igi pa mu me ama be won se yawe me face resistance yawe won egbo na the oibo resistance e me face de ifa mo resistance ya yin ke gbon here me ta yin agbe ne but yin kini ke pa egbe manyo ma gelele biri ni agele kan me ko ni won pa da grade me yi awa uke gwa me do odion do afin awu no fin awu ama kan me so eni o evi ni me so ma eni na evie do no taberi na evie do ma we gbe
yin we gede na be ugwa Sofia va venene e mo fife se ko emu ya be ate se odo si le busy people wa re platform yo ba wa ti le busy people eni le busy wa be hi me ni an konse
Ide body agito.
Aboti. Ko je wa fi o da pa gbe o ya.
Omoke Daddy Mikey no.
Nicolaman, Daddy Mike Nicolaman.
Omoke Daddy Mikey no. Omoke Daddy Mike. Because I want the video of Saga Daddy Mike. I go just laugh. Wow, man, this is
Of your name, Daddy Mike, very well. You message you with video.
Jesus Christ, I could just laugh. I'll say that why we want young baby.
How have you near?
Daddy Lucky,
Manisaga egbi mama egbere orí.
Daddy Lucky to regbe. Iri saga ona ya vie visite la diable.
Kakabo, on say la wa ke Daddy Mike.
Yeah, we do
No, because a man ni taba a man yo can see zone ni rubo keki ma and who you so ko no on your damn way.
Sister Happy be send Mama Sister Happy Happiness Mama Happiness you be send request just now they said them again.
Every bokosina e bokoso ofian e bokosina dano. A very useless, hopeless boy. I don't know. Ekia dan I have the because Ekia dan. Edegbe Ekia dan. I regret it. Because I'll not be because
Meme ye mo ho.
Oh, bitterness.
Ewe mege no kuya lesi ya na do avie social media.
Ona lele single mother gbina hiana. Isha we single mother. O te date o yana fie for one me ni awe. O yana
na la egbe na.
Ile gbona asokian o yan
gbe mi yo. Papa si were o wa re to ya ri ba mo mo yan do gbe po fo abana.
I hear that baby you're not soaking now. We are you, baby you're very
I don't ask
useless.
stupid question, but so I know they understand
And
that. Only Jesus Christ.
the question, damn it, even not damn it, the people that are giving him relevance. Because you see,
Kakabo.
I don't go to places where Imanareti where Yasa where. Onona no wazuona. Somebody like Brokos. I answer Onona because he's
Kakabo. Say now what I mean.
very irrelevant. You know, people that have mental health issue, people that have low self-esteem, they will do anything to stay relevant. They are attention seekers. They want to feel among. When better people they hold better conversations, intelligent conversation, you go where you want to see this idiot for his side.
For where he go fit
talk. This moron go fit construct simple, good, correct English. This moron, this moron sit in the midst of intelligent men and women and have a proper conversation. He's an idiot. So there's no need to come they reply this attention seeker. This are where they are offend way for say oh yeah. This rat so say he say ofigbo wey dey take fry akara. Now they won't call the reply. God forbid.
You know, see here, one of your don't fry finish.
But see, we get problem. We get problem. Never go meet doctor, make they diagnose, make they give us treatment for AI. 999% won't come the reply. This one. I beg you. It's a waste of time, waste of energy, waste of. If I even they drag people like, if you that people like that, they make it, if they drag themselves, you know, they sweet me because at least only
if not say now you understand? Ona mi ekwe oriomo reni. Ave mi Daniel taloni.
Because we go down no, we go down.
Where do we oriomo kere? Oriomo ya tani ave ma down ye.
Ave go down ya biere.
Me ma ya yi ge because o ye oriomo no egbo igbo no ya gbeje bu yi ko no e no da.
No very no wa
down ye.
Because on the normal, we don't have people like this albino for Edo. But my man, if past 5 high comes all these 5 past 5 high, we know they get them. We don't get them.
No, for those people.
If you want to live one, don't you
those ones who come for new pay, then get them.
We not get past 1 high for Edo. We not get people who be like who be one upcoming albino where be say they know albino finish. They can't stop for. They can't download reach 70%. We don't get there. This one way be like person where they fry for Israel or where they follow single mother they fight. They drag single mother money they go. This one then they waste your time. They reply this non-entity, this idiot. This one way life don't tire, life don't run live on for junction. What's the need to they talk to somebody when no get respect? Kakabo. A jobless failure. So they don't need this. They always want instigate fights. They always want to bring problem. Anyway, she said that they insult our house, our king, our royal.
You go wrong, go there.
You go wrong, go there. And the person does not do that. Imagine say you analyze rubbish issue today, you bracket, you write say Oba. Are you crazy? Are you insane?
You carry picture, mama wife,
go they analyze
Go they analyze and carry picture, you proof for that. Wame brokosi na very bad egg. Oh God, do.
Down no.
Done.
You don't want me to reply, Not be now, maybe 3 years time, because as of now, person they do me so I know they quit mine now. So maybe it's 3 years time I go get time. For now, may they enjoy. This idiot failure. This kind of
this time we need our attention, may we not give her.
Yes,
Me, we
now.
don't
More
go
no
far
go
now.
my bed. Now make me see.
This
Only
one
the
will
way
not
you
reach
do. That's
man.
all I will.
Records up to
Every
try that whether your
every
pricks still they work.
No
One
problem.
now we where my brother attention here, me,
I
we
know
you
now.
give
would
her that attention where they fight. Trust me, Saga, it does not deserve
you
it.
would Okpa Mayafi,
It does
Okpa
not
Mahi,
deserve it.
Mazuno One. One aside so whether
Okay. They
me
want
ladian ni.
o'clock. He close it. He close.
No, don't
We
answer
menu
him.
If they
we menu ni
body,
nore would. I
Never.
will give
good evening, sis. Good evening,
So
everyone.
Good places.
hallelujah. Good evening, my darling. Welcome. Welcome here.
Yeah, if I
Welcome.
praise.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
sir. Okay, sir.
You don't give your
Wesley.
time to this idiot.
Our
The
mama.
person where they cry for, they don't already ban it, they don't already suspend her, and there's nothing anybody can
Wa
do.
ye bo wa me ya ye ni won e de gbe ne e de gbe ma yo. Wa
Our
Wesley.
mama, Julia. I agree to.
I greet you. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Princess Ero. How are you all doing?
Good evening.
Different. Well done, ma.
Welcome.
We have to
Yeah.
talk
Good morning.
about.
Now, good morning. We got this. So,
Now, good
But some
morning.
people still day night, so some people never even enter the other day safe.
Yeah,
people
we're
like
not
that.
even up to midnight here.
Oh,
People
okay.
no, some people never reach midnight.
See, you see, what is going on? You see, we're gonna learn more. We're gonna learn more. What is currently unfolding right now is shocking. It's shocking that to the extent, especially most of us that have lineage or are from Orion or have grandparents or great grandparents who are from Orion, we all need to really, really keep an eye on what is going on. The reason I say this is, you see the guy that call himself Murphy Face, the guy is an Ijoma, but he has always maintained or claimed to be from Orion, and I always doubt him. You cannot be Orion person. But when we now see this set of people that want to take down, alongside with the people from the Edo Central, want to take down the palace, majority of them, we're not gonna sugarcoat anything here. Majority of these people are from Orion, right? They are from Orion. So they want to collaborate with outsider to take down the palace. Where is the jealousy is coming from when we all speak Edo language? Where is the jealousy coming from when
My
we all
sister, I
are
don't
from?
they not go fit do anything.
See, that is why we that have a connection with the Orion, yeah, because I
Yeah.
don't want that bad name. Yeah, my grandmother is from
My
Ogbe.
sister.
Yeah, my grandmother is from Ogbe. My grandfather, yeah, she married to is from Ewesi. Then my mom's side, my mom, my grandma and my grandpa from my mom's side, both are from Uronigbe. So
Yeah.
all these places they are Yokoriomo, and I'm not gonna have this nuisance to tag. I don't want to. I can't tag them to our name.
Our
all those
name,
ones, they
yeah.
are reference.
You understand? So that is why we that share that thing with the Oriomo or Yokoriomo, we all need to speak up against this whole thing, because you cannot see there.
So which one be the difference between Orion and Yokorion self?
I think Oriomo is more
No,
kind of close
Obiano is a
to
local government area. Obiano.
Yokoriomo is kind of far.
In that aspect. Okay. Orion local
So
government.
Yokoriomo are the Ewesi, Euronigbe, and Ewega, so on and so forth.
Yeah. Okay.
So at the end of the day,
Orion, the name self is the interpretation. That Orion is the local government.
Now, the Obiano, if you want call, if that's to like your local government, now if you say
Government, you will say Orion local government. Yeah.
so that guy has been claiming Oriomo, and whenever he say Oriomo, I get mad. I get like the thing is like a bear in my ear, like a bow in my ear. So at the end of the day, at the end of the day, even the Yore nonsense is also from because
You know, they wait for Yore. Not even
We're
at the
shocking your Reniel Bigbo.
See, let me tell you, Yore.
Most of all those people not be Orion one. I don't know why all of them just they say
When
Orion.
Yore even go, when Yore say go Nigeria, Yore not pay a tight though. Yore they wait for her.
I beg, more than love verse. You get one thing when I want to talk. More than love verse. You know, say anytime when we dey life, and they always either body la wo egui. You know, say anytime when we dey life for easy platform, they always dey write say who come for umo who here because I just want to know my people. Bam. Ooh. This boy will come for Umo who will start to the talk rubbish. I say Jesus Christ. I dey find una since then. First time I don't see una now. Na bad name. Na bad name now. I want to know now. Eh? No.
So what I'm trying to say here is, whenever we see these people are coming out from Orion or Yokorion, we're not gonna just sit down and let them get away with their shenanigans. We are all gonna speak up against them. You know, we're gonna stand firm because we are not in support of whatever they are doing.
Yeah.
You understand? We are gonna speak up because I will not have their nonsense tagged to my name. I'm so proud of where I come from. Even wobe edo ya hio edo no baje kere ya tawo we edo hi ema ya yari ogome eni ado mweni eni edo gboto we kenarije na imo bobo
no ya me we ni ogun me ma eyan de tin yen ni bun ogare life we ni ma ya kun ahian
wara me tie Imini yoni tamu waya wara meten ba biye korion mo do wa kola betin waya fefe ni avia o yo to
mama ro pari ma jo de tin I don't know the causes
people see
because when I could don ire nene when I could don ire we mo so ame cousin me na me cousin we waste
me cousin me ro pa o si ani na anytime you typing we do man no obi mo I just like I don't know. Now let's work my cousin. I know about almost 50 cousins when I get.
Because eorion pa winning na. Eorion that one we like we kata but one mountain ba very ani wo doni. Why collaborate wa via you to. I mean because many year time.
Because of this matter if I come like that.
They are doing it on social media. This riffraff. So.
Now waiting me be once. Oh, I can't damn way.
They're not doing it at home.
They will try. Now waiting my dad talk yesterday. Where media wanna go when he had the time. We told now we very only at this.
Oh, I'm mad on social media. Sunu. Ni ana avanya na prayer. Na do call it am do. Now we give no sunu. Era me we big boy. We am on the do. We do damn work we do.
I'm not doing this
time like a flat platform out the shark morning to evening.
Social
media.
It's not happening on social media. We need to
imagine Nanya.
You understand that Julia Guari, but is that is, you know, you cannot worry or they very, very right because I think worry again, guy now.
I tell you again, many about Latina, Mamma Laroteme, or Temelare, Mamma Renia, right? Very my boy, and I was with your boy with your bullet leg. Oh, if you bow with Lilian, because I cannot see
Bolo. I
le loto yes we my boy in dano mama lareo eteme wadame ho iya do your babo we are going na generation we ma
you not go happen
understand o hemwe they go oteme dame ho iya setting ga do your babo with generation me iya setting ga do your babo with generation we
let me say something I won't go sleep my say something
yeah meeting do your babo with generation
let me say you see this useless noje fan because now noje rat now they call them I mean noje fan or nojo fan all this
I didn't know you no give you
all these
here.
things where they put for community. So where our papa go put for community because they be thieves. You see how this idiots so where they cry for? They don't already collect their beads. They don't already collect their
Yeah, maybe not their
palace.
relation can they cry
They
for
don't already
social
collect
media.
everything. There is nothing you
My
people can
sisters,
do.
I
You
agree too
people
now.
will
Mark Cruz.
you people
good
will talk
evening.
from now till tomorrow. They don't suspend it. They don't suspend it. Now let's social media now for fake crime.
Eh,
No,
no, wa
you
bam
see,
ya.
you see,
Because
Maybe
at
they
the end
enter
of the
house.
day, Mark,
I
They
want
have
you
to
to
head their
If they body,
frustration that we
listen.
I want you
frustrated
people,
Listen,
make I
we
quick.
need to
suffocate
pursue
them.
the enter house. Make the enter house.
wait,
We don't need
at the
them.
end of the day, I
Wadame
get
ho
where they go.
eteme. Wadame ho emi na o emi ni mahia u mani viedo. I mahia ko boku gbena ya gwoba dole doji. That is our only emi ni mani viedo kia.
My sister,
Your
I beg, make
babo.
I quick.
Mama ni dia. We need to
Make I
send
quick
them
contribute
back
to
to their
waiting at the
house.
top because I just they do something. Ah, see, my help will contribute. You see, even if see waiting they happen for social media, you know they happen for ordinary ground. Yes, sometimes you know they happen because they not get the opportunity. Fine, how we say we gather like this, then monkey face for not fit get this kind of power when get. Oh, for don't bring
Yeah.
that down.
Exactly.
Now Facebook
Yes.
is that now. You know, say many people know they do Facebook that
So
time.
now, when we say we don't get online warriors, online defenders, may anybody not come discourage you and say wetin dey happen for ground, you know, wetin dey happen for here, no dey happen for ground. As I say, if you know dey happen for ground, not be on ground we dey, na online all of us dey. The one wey dey happen online, we face am online.
Yeah,
The one wey dey
nobody
happen for
here.
ground, we face am for ground.
Yes,
So
now everything they talk.
I go say everybody when they put effort for the betterment of the great Benin Empire. Now God na go bless all of us. Those people when they work say may they divide the kingdom. Now God go divide their destiny and their life.
Amen.
Mark Cruz metane. If they come to social media with problem, we go give them back to back. We know say for ground, they no go visit trial, but wetin make them call social media? Call put that their gutter mat where they smell, where one for the one no, they call open now for social media. Ahia suffocate yaga igbia for agbia kukuga
my sister, well, mommy, if yes, I suffocate now.
Yeah, what suffocating ya?
If yes, I feel like I be where mommy will feel like this I be, but the man here can hear.
Eduperia te leva o levo a brorishi. No peria. Yeah, but you do peria da. I don't.
Dual citizen money here.
So when I go here now, honorary vela jabu way. Have a go online. Emani no to be go here.
Venia wada swena. They never see anything. Me they up pack
Ebela o Nenare Noje Natana. What is their contribution in Edo State? Nothing.
I tell you, it's everybody.
Wait for me. All this Enoje where they talk, so where they band, where they cry for. They have never done anything once. They all have to sell land. If they don't sell the land finish, they'll go into academy woman, go to lodge for hotel. They know they build school. They know they build. Come on, boy, or self. They know they cut for school. Come on, check. They know they give children.
That one even good. Most of all these niggas were the road when they drive reach their palace. They don't know how people take the grade down. They don't know how people take the grade down. The road where they drive before they reach their palace. As in all this one, there be demons. Can you imagine? Say, they not get right to the sell land up and down because na community land. But they will sell all of them, they share the money. They'll carry out, they play music, they carry women. Nah. The power don't switch. If this audio will not good, the other one go good. So now development now come our land. So all these vampire, all these land grabber, may they go. And if you say you strong, say they not feel remove you. You come back to your community and come and be a nogi.
Really? Yeah.
Okay, you they sell
land. Come back to your community and come and be a nogi.
We cut 50 million. You not use 2 million take cut boy. You sell land 15 million, 20 million. You not cut common boy, not be cost. Common book, you not be bad for students when they go.
Now the same thing. This now so all those
You not
yeah
do
no
share, you
the
not be call capital, make capital can't do share for children where they school. You not fit even do health care, no small, no even clinic, no dey on a community. Now wow.
Yeah, I be dig way.
Yeah, I don't understand.
You see, those people they follow them. The people when they follow them, they cry for ITV so. Body. You don't see some of all those women when they follow them, all those they no give, they cry for ITV. Now their first time when they don't go close to all those they no give. Now their first time for their life when they don't go close to. They no give when they say you go palace. Security go say no get travel, you know they around, you know official. Something
they stay for GRA, no they stay for the community.
Something go there for community, no give for palace.
No they stay for community. Because they class say about bands then. Like bell.
Yeah,
Yeah, ave la grabber, avo jo jagbo Jeremy, eve ola wagbe. If you say you strong, come back to your community and come and be a nogi. If you say you strong, come back to your community and come and see how you want to survive. We go suffocate you to your
way mama dey for Italy, where mama carry come and say they talk say pikin no sabi read, the pikin no know wetin they write for paper. Ije we zua. Oh when you ma koko.
Oni zua, oni jeno zua.
Now you take born that pikin. We down now you take born that pikin. You want to say your pikin no sabi dey read before you follow up you go dey sign rubbish. You say no sabi dey read. Mary no lo wow. About where you were the promise your back for a go. Wow, girl. Mo ko follow you the bed. Where is the Ya TV? Who can GBS guy?
As for me, even in me wow, avasi me wow in merine ma. Na ya dwa zaregbe. Na ya go ba dole doyi ajena. Na doyi ya move forward ajena. Anybody that me ho okiye koriomore o, okiye koviare o, okiye kenokpare, kenoririkere o. Umana have intention to go back dole doji la wo move over. La move to the other side, relocate, go elsewhere. Because a line in image weje. You understand? Because e can imagine oh na go back dole doji. Even in my move do forward here because edo olo edo ekenana henie do ahenie wo you am ready to join hand na ya go ba dole do yi wala wo wa pa hin dere you wa ho do wa these are people who are not capable to build anything. They don't have the capacity to build. They are destroyers. If you are not ready to work with the Royal Highness, move over. Move away.
Because they are not intelligent enough to work.
Just go away. Go away. If you are not willing to join hands to move Edo State forward, please leave us alone. We don't want division in Edo State. We don't want division, especially the Edo speaking part of Edo State. If you are not ready to work with us, please leave us alone and just fuck off. Go away. We don't need you.
May they not F1. May they not leave us alone. May they stay for road.
No. May they just move over. May they move to the other side. Because this is not the time. We want to move. We want collectively. We want to move Edo State forward. If these people are not ready to join hand to move Edo State forward, they should leave us alone and just go away. Leave us alone. Let's move Edo State forward. That's what we need. If you are not ready to work with us, go away. If you are not ready to join hand, go away. We are not ready for your shenanigans. We don't need it. We don't need it in our state. Only time they
not get egbe. Everyone is working. Every brokers in is work. They don't have
How mene woni je umogun okwa menu mogun okwa ni je na so maybe in have a gamer be action but because me I never to know how far about all those things so when because you have the video always say have obe baba ne according to wetin I dey hear so let's see.
Egbe wo we me yo be wo na yan wo oba yan oba we do
Can you imagine?
My chest, don't I now wait a minute. I swear, Bella, like I was so shocked. I was like, I don't
Say because one
me pamauta. Ekme of Pama, what's here? G no bell Fanny.
If they don't smoke now, I think they nyan rubbish.
Fanny out there, because of
what?
They no film
of that. No parade boy, imani, you need the picture man.
A clock lotion. I pish again, me pish again. While I pish again, why me pish again?
A picture the man.
Oh, me pish again.
What's it near the person?
Ekmen of Pama, maybe not Tiavi Jotina, Ekmen of Pama, something like that. Also, no money. E qui est dans ya bien, maybe no looking. I was we was working with social media. Well, anyways, these people cannot stand to hold intelligent conversations. So, what's the need? Na ya lele or Ozwana no mama. What's the
this screenshot
too much of free pasta, free sermon in the chop.
Democracy no mama. They think they're doing them. Don't bring your democracy shenanigans to when it comes to
tradition.
When it comes to tradition, carry your democracy nonsense and carry it to shove it down your ass. Don't bring it to us. That's stupid. Only relevant set of people.
Who know those people before? If not be abroad, we can come.
From there you come down. They just travel. Pian, Libya road.
Now free Wi-Fi. They worry there for abroad though. Free Wi-Fi. We they just give them. Why they call the talk rubbish?
Why just school? Why we so? Eh? Even for the abroad, you cannot elevate your life. You cannot move forward. You cannot do something better with yourself. Huh? You cannot achieve great things. Where your mates are speaking, you cannot even speak there.
Now too much of